Look here, as the number is find the square root of 80 by 105. Neither 80 nor 405 are perfect square. So make it the rational number. We have to divide the both of them by 5. Finally what we get, which is 16 by 81. So 16 is equal to 4 into 4 and 81 is equal to 9 into 9. So it becomes 4 square by 9 square.
Yes.
Is equal to, after removing this root, it will also remove the sign of power. Then what's remain? 4 by 9. So square root of this number is 4 by 9. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to remove board. If required, pause the screen and write it. The next question is question number B, which is 38, 11, 25. This is term of mixed fraction. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So we have to write that one into which one? The proper fraction.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 25 into 38 plus 11 by 25. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So it become, after
Yes, sir.
multiplying these two or adding 11, it become 961 by 25. Is it?
Yes, sir.
The question is given to find the square root, so it is better to write the symbol of root. Okay. Is it?
Yes.
As you know, the 5 is the it's a 25 is perfect square and its square root is 5 nominal one. But in case of 961 is just find the square root of it, which is 3 3 ja what? 3 3 ja 9. Is it?
9.
Okay. 61, then 3 plus 3
Yes, sir.
becomes 6 and 6 1 ja 6. 61 1 ja 61. Okay. Remainder is 0. So it becomes what? 31 into 31 and this becomes 5 into 5. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it becomes 31 square by 5 square. So it becomes 31 by 5. This is answer. Okay. Have you written? Have you written? Okay. I am going to erase the board to solve next question. As question number 2 is find the square root. Question number A is given 1789.29. Okay? To get the square root of the given number, we have to apply the long division method as 1789.29. Make the group of 2. After decimal there are 2 digits, that's it's easy to make the group of 2. So we have to draw a line to make the group of it. Okay? Then 4 4 ja 16, then it become 189, 4 plus 4 become 8, and it will be 2 times, so 2 2 ja 4 and 8 2 ja 16. After subtracting that one, what will get? 5 and 2, and this 2 9 is going to be move here or shift here. There is sign of decimal, so decimal is going to be placed here. So it become, after adding 2, it become 84, and unit digit is 9, so it should be multiplication of 3 or the product of 3. So it will be, try to check that one by multiplying the whole number by 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, carried 1, 8 3 ja 24, and that carried 1 become 25. Finally, the remainder is 0. So the square root of this much is equal to what we have get? 42.3. Is it? No one responding. Have you listening? The voice is clear? Is the audio video is clear there? Okay. Next question is same question number 2. The same question number 2. Find the square root of question number 0 is 0.008281. Okay. To get the square root of it, we have to apply the long division method as 0.008281. Okay. Make the block of 2 or the pair of 2. Finally, what we get? Single digit. So look here. It will be like this. 0 1s are 0. 0 into 0 become 0. So 0 will be placed here. Then the decimal came. So put the decimal and 2 zeros will return back. 0 is going to be added with 0. So it becomes 0. So from 0 times it becomes 0 into 0 0, and 0 into 0 become 0. Finally 8 2. So it becomes 0 0. Then we have to find the number which is nearer to this one, which is 9 9 ja, which is 81. Then it will be 1 8 1. This 9 plus 9 18. 1 ja, so it becomes 1 8 1. So after subtracting that one, you will get 0 as result. Okay. So the square root of this much is 0.091. Is it clear? Is it clear? Garv, is it clear? Garv, is it clear? Saurabh? Saurabh? Tejasvi? Okay. Now I am going to solve the next question. Question number 3. Find the value. Find the value. B. Root under 4 and next one is root under 9. Know this in term of perfect square. So we can't easily get the value of that one. So we can write that one in the case of solving that question. We can write that one. It is 44 into 99. So 44 can be write like this: 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 into 11. This is the prime factorization of 44. Similarly, the prime factorization of 9 is equal to 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9 into 11, which is 99. So under root, so it will be root under, arrange this number, 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 3 into 3. And what will get? 2 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. Is it? After removing that one. Garb. Is it? So finally it become, after removing this root, it become what? 2 into 11 into 3. So if you are going to multiply that number, what will you get? 11 3s are 33 into 2 become 66. So this is answer. Okay. Garb, is it clear? Have you listening? Garb, are you writing that one? Is it clear? So next question is, question number D, which is 2 4 3 and 1 4 7. So first of all, in case of solving that one, we have to get the prime factor of 2 4 3 as 2 4 3. The sum of this number is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. So it becomes 3 9 ja, 3 8 ja 24 and 3 1 ja 3. So this one is 3 2 ja 8, 3 7 ja 21, then 3 9 ja 27, then 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so you can write like this: root under 2 4 3 into root under 1 4 7 is equal to this much. You can write this one as root under 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, or write all this in a single like this. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 times, 1 2 3 4 and 5 times I have written. Okay, for the next one is 147. Okay, next one is 147. Look here, 147. So this is 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12. Then 2 and 7. Then it becomes 2 9 ja 3 9 ja 27. 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. Then what will get? 3 into 7 into 7 of this one. So you can write like this, into 3 into 7 into 7. Then what will get? This is a pair of 1, 2, 3. 3 pair of 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 7 is to the power 2. So what it become? It become, after removing this root, it become 3 into 3 into 3 into 7, like this. Is it? So after multiplying it, we'll get as result as 189. So this is answer of it. Write this one also. Are you writing? Are you writing? Question is, find the square root up to 2 decimal place. And question is 7290 and decimal here, or 9 only, 9. Okay, so we have to find the square root of it. So to find the square root of it, we have to find, write 972.9, and to make the group of 2 digit, in right we have to place a false 0 here. So it becomes the digit of 2, and this one also 2 digit. Look here. So this one is, okay, this one is, start by multiplying that one. 8 8 ja 64. So you will get that one. After subtracting it, you will get as, it become the 12 minus 4 become 8, and 90 is written back here. Decimal is placed here, so you have to place a decimal mark here. And here add 8, so it become 8 plus 8 become 16. Then 6 5 times, 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 6 ja 30, plus 2 become 32, carried 3, 5 1 ja 5, plus 3 8. So after subtracting that one, you will get as 5. It become 8 minus 2. So 8 minus 2 become 6. So after adding 5, it become 1. 7, 0, and there is no any number, so we have to bring 2 false 0 to get the square root up to 2 digit. So it becomes the 3 times, which is 3 3 ja 9, 3 into 0 becomes 0, 3 5 ja 7 5 ja 21, carried 2, 3 1 ja 3, then carried 2 become 5. Then finally we will get remainder as 10 minus 9 become 1, 9 minus 0 become 9, 4 minus 1 is 3, so this is 6 minus 5 is 1. So what we get? This much remainder, and finally we get the square root of this number, root under 72.9 up to 2 decimal place is 8.53. Okay, so write this much also. Next question is question number C. Root under 3 by 7. So if we divide that one, you will get the 0 point, means divide 3 by 7, you will get a 0.4285 inside root, means we have to find the square root of this number. Okay, so get the square root of this number 0.4285, make the group of 2 digit from right, you will get 0 here. Okay, in that case 0 1s are 0, 0 zeros are 0, so it becomes 0, 0 plus 0 becomes 0, so decimal is here, so we have to place one decimal here, then 42 is written back here, so it becomes 6 times, 6 6 ja 36, and what we get after subtracting that one, it becomes 12 minus 6 is 6 8 5, then 6 plus 6 is become 12, and which is 5 times 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 2 ja 10, and this 2, and 5 5 ja 25, carried 2, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 12, carried 1, 5 1 ja 5 plus 1 6, then what will get? This will become the 60. So the square root of 0.4285 is equal to 0.65. So this is answer. To get the answer, you should solve that one. How you have got the answer? By solving it. Okay. The next question is question number 5. Same, find the square root. Find the square root, or we have to get the value of it. As given, the number is given. Question number B. It is written in mixed fraction 7 by 9 is equal to 9 2 ja, which is 9 into 2 plus 7 by 9. So it becomes it become 25 by 9. So finally what we'll get? 5 into 5 by 3 into 3. So it will be 5 square by 3 square. After removing this root, it becomes 5 by 3. So this is answer of it. Okay. Next question is, question number C, which is 98 into 162. Means we have to get the value of this number. So to get the value of this number, we have to find the prime factorization of 98 as 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 18, 7 7 ja 49. So 98 is equal to 2 into 7 into 7 into 162 is equal to, by doing prime factorization of it, 2 8 ja 16 and 2 1 ja 2, then by 3 2 ja 6 and 3 9 ja 3 7 ja 21. So it becomes 3 9 ja 27, then 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3. Then what will get? 2 into 3 into 3 means 162 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 times, 1 2 3 4 times, like this. So arrange the number 2 and this 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Is it? Look here, this is group of 2, 2, 3 and 3. Then what will get? 2 square into 7 square into 3 square into 3 square. So after removing this root, it becomes 2 into 7 into 3 into 3. After multiplying these numbers, you will get result as 126. Okay. So write this one also. Have you written? Okay, we will discuss remaining part next class. I am going. The meeting is over. Okay.